Dude, this is sick.
Dude, this is going on my Twitter right now. Also, go to Willoughby's channel, Wilhelm. She's like, my bird. Go to Willoughby's channel, Wilhelm. She's also recording it. And go to Massacre Tuna.
Wait, no. I don't know. Never mind.
Oh my god, this is the most... This is gonna get banned from my YouTube channel. I like sniffing the butt crack because it smells good. Also, go check out our Bean Diesel video.
Come here. Here. I'll go get... Oh my god! This is so cute!
What?
Oh.
Right here.
Come here. Jesus. Here. Come eat with your sister and her bird. Come eat with your sister and her bird. Eat with your sister!
Guys, I just got a bunch of pictures and go to my Twitter, Sean Stacy 14. Cause I can't.
Oh my, dude, this is awesome.
This is funny.
I know.
But guys, she is chomping the bird. Look at its little foot.
No, where are you going?
I think she's scared of blood. Hello, darkness, smiles, friend. I got it.
Come here. Come eat with your sister.
Oh, this is so. Oh my god. Oh god. Here, I got it. Okay. Here, come over here. You're gonna eat with your sister. You're gonna like it. Eat the bird. Also, Willoughby, look at Shady's eye infection.
I know, I saw it. So sad. Here, climb on my leg. Hold on, here. No! I might have just stepped on glass.
Yeah, baby.
At night, I think of you. At night.
That's enough bird for you.
Yeah, hold on, get her away from that. Then we can bring her outside so I can record it on my tablet. Cause that's the only thing I can record on for YouTube.
Birds carry disease. It's Shady.
No, don't let her eat it without my tablet. Word! Oh, there you are. All night I think of you. Hey, what? Dude!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Eat your bird. Sean!
Dinner time. Oh my god. I'm not even recording.
You know what? I think your brother's weird. Oh my god, this is so cute. Like, I can feel it, like when she's breathing, I can feel it when I'm holding her. Oh, you're so cute. What would that look like? Run away now!